understanding how the universe works, making experiments and discovering new ideas. Back to school is really awesome, but I enjoy making time even more. What can I do? I'm a kid. I like to play with my friends, running and fooling around, talk about toys and cartoons, and sometimes make silly sounds. At times, school can be tough. Lots of tasks to do and accomplish it sure is rough. But I know that if I study hard and get good grades, my mom and dad will be surely proud of what I did. At home, I have a beautiful sister named Sam. She's all cute and lovely, but also a big responsibility. We always play together, though sometimes she is a bit annoying. But I still try to be a good brother, and I help my mom by looking after her. My dad? Sometimes I feel sad about thinking about my dad and all those role plays we had. My dad is a seafarer who works on a ship traveling far vast oceans you can ever imagine. Most of the time, he works for many months, but when he's home, it's the best time ever. I love hearing his stories about the different countries he visited and the gifts and souvenirs that from all those travels. But mostly, I love our role-playing being sailors. Him as captain and me as a quartermaster. Even though my dad is not always with us, I know he loves so much. My mom takes care of Sam and me, while my dad works hard for our family. I am proud to be their son and an older brother to Sam, and I want them to be all proud of me by being the best student I can be. My life is a vast ocean of untold stories and discoveries. I am on a ship that navigates through unfolded pages, but I know that as a child I am still yet far from reaching the top. I hope you all listen, but with God as my captain, give me strength and protection. I shall continue to strive